Sup guys, Mikeyfix here, and today I'm making this YouTube play button for my brother Tony's refurb. So this project I'm going to do out of some scrap that I have. I have a couple pieces of birch and then a piece of walnut from the cutting board and then kind of just some pine studs. So I think I'm going to put this around where the play button is so that when I route out around the play button that these are inlaid in the middle. You'll see at the end what I mean, but I think that would give it a cool look with the different strips. So I'm going to cut everything down to this thickness, which I think is 3/4 inches, and then glue everything up. So let's get to that. All right, I got all the wood ripped down to 3/4 of an inch. I'm just gonna chop everything to the smallest length there. These will be the width, and then I think it'll be fine. Like that's more than wide enough. And then once everything's glued up, I'll end up chopping it down even more. But yeah, so let me get to marking, and then I'll get all those cut. Got everything chopped up. I wanted to do some kind of design here with the walnut and the birch in the middle here. Kind of give some stripes so that when I cut out the play button, the actual play triangle will be sitting higher and you'll be able to actually see it like through the different grain here, which would be cool. So let's get everything glued up. It's been 24 hours. Let's pop this, pop all the clamps off of this thing, and then I'll put the table saw back up here, and we'll trim down the edges to final size, and then probably bring it outside, hit it with the planer, just because the planer makes a crazy mess, and I don't want to do that on the inside of my garage. Okay, well, got stuck to this piece, so let me just grab something to ply it off. Jeez. Okay. Okay, and it broke in fucking half. Fuck. Okay, well, probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but I guess what we'll do is glue up these two pieces. Hopefully I can pop the rest of this off. Okay. All right, so it's in two pieces now. It's better than being in 16 pieces like it was. So what I'm gonna do is maybe I'll grab some of that instant bond and wood glue and glue this back up quickly and have the instant bond, so at least I can rip it on the table saw quick, let it set again, and then bring it out to the planer. I'm gonna put a decent amount of this stuff just so that this quick bond is fairly strong. There she goes. This thing's empty now. Luckily I got that bond in quick. As long as that holds through the table saw, we'll pop a clamp back on it and let it sit overnight again. Let's put this to the side. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll pop a clamp on it now just to hold it in place while I grab my table saw out. Okay, table saw is out. I don't have a crosscut sled, so I'm just gonna use the Mitre gauge. Hopefully it's long enough to make the cuts. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm ready to cut this. A little hack that I learned is if you flip your miter gauge over with longer pieces of stock, you can make the full cut using your miter gauge. Just at least for the straight cuts. You can get all the way through your material, no problem. If it was the other way around, you wouldn't even be able to start it. So let's get this cut up. All cut up and squared up. It's looking pretty sweet. I think we're gonna let the Instant Bond and wood glue sit for another day, and then we'll send this thing through the planer, get it all smoothed out. Maybe hit it with quick little round over, and then get to carving out the play button. And then I think I'm either gonna try carving out the letters that says presented to Tony's Refurb for 1,000 subs. Either that, or I might try to do that the way of transferring ink onto a board where you kind of wet it and then peel it off and the ink stays. I think it'd be cooler to actually engrave it in, maybe even paint it in and then sand it over top so that it leaves the paint engraved in. So yeah, we'll see. So far, I think it's looking pretty cool. A little bit of the paint came off of that other board that I had to just clamp it down, but that's fine. Pretty sweet. So yeah, let's get this through the planer. All right, so we're on the way to my dad's where we're celebrating Father's Day, and that's the reason why I made the sign for my brother is as a Father's Day gift, because it's both his and mine first Father's Day. So that plus he had 1,000 subs, and YouTube doesn't give you anything for hitting 1,000 subs, even though they should, because that's when you could start being monetized and making money. So I thought I'd make him a custom wood YouTube sign. So when we get there, I'll give it to him, and we'll see what he thinks. All right, guys, we're here.
Is it linked up?
Yeah, it's linked up. We're here with none other than Tony's Refurb.
Classic.
Tony's Refurb here. Here's his Father's Day gift.
Father's Day gift. First Father's Day. You can edit this out. Let's show the peeps first. Oh, wow.
Do you know what it is?
I have no idea.
Turn it around.
Yeah, that's sick.
Cool.
1K subs, baby.
Hey, we've done it.
We've done it again.
Like, subscribe, check in the next one.
Yo, that's so sick. Is that what it actually looks like?
Yeah, dude.
I don't even know what it looks like.